Today we're going to try to fix some beds, and that's what's going on at Noah's house. Hey guys, what's happening? I'm going to try to fix a couple beds. It's almost August. These couple beds I showed in a tour video that they're like silty, messy, mucky, almost like clay, but there's no structure, nothing's growing. I did have a little bit of lettuce and beans in one bed, and they were doing terrible and nothing was going to happen. So I got a little shovel and I chopped them up, started turning it over. I'm going to put some well-rotted wood chip in there. Now this wood chip's been sitting in a pile. I've been using it here and there for about 4 years or more. So hopefully this is going to give me some structure. And I have a bag of some cover crop stuff. I'm just going to plant in there and get that growing. Hopefully chop that down in like September. Turn that in. You get some more structure in there. But I'll show you what's happening. Here we go. All right, so here's the bed. Like I said, there's the little lettuce plants that we're just not doing, you know. But I took my little shovel. Let me grab a little handful here. Ooh, get my finger out of there. Okay, there it is. You think it looks good, but it's just, there's like no structure in there whatsoever. And nothing's growing in there very good. So I have this well rotted down wood chip. I said 4 years or so. It's been sitting in a pile, just rotting down. Still got a lot of woody bits in there. The real big ones I'll pull out, and I have pulled out. There's a lot of good stuff in there, and I'm hoping if I turn that in, I'll get me some structure. Now, here's the other bed I'm going to do, but I do have some carrots and peppers, so I'm not going to mess with it. But look at this. It's not good. Now, I have this cover crop stuff I got from Amazon. I'm going to turn some of that in, level it off, heap it up some. I'm going to plant some of this in there and get some cover crop growing. Then I'll chop that down in September, October. I'll let that lay there. And hopefully I get some structure and hopefully get something better growing in here next year. So bring it back once I got some stuff chopped in there. Okay, I dumped that whole wheelbarrow in there and I mixed it up and chopped it in. I'll show you what it looks like now. And if anybody out there is watching, like, subscribe, share the videos around. And if you have this problem, hey, shoot me a comment down below, whack me something down below, and let me know what you did to fix some of the structure in your raised beds, or even your garden, because I'm guessing this can happen in ground too. So check it out. So I got a lot more structure in there. Like I got a lot of big pieces of wood chip and stuff like that. It's not like this over here. And now I'm gonna dump that in there. I'm going to scratch it in, and hopefully we'll get that to grow nice and tall, just like a cover crop to help it out. I'll chop that. I'll let that lay there probably all winter. Probably going to cover this bed with plastic like I usually do. And hopefully next year, a couple more trees taken down, a little bit more light here, and this bed starts producing. Then I'm going to do the same thing to this bed over here. But like I said, I have some carrots growing in there, and I don't want to mess with them right now, just in case. But this is just a short little video. Let you know what I'm doing in my garden on a Sunday in July, and it's humidity broke, but it's still hot. Wait, from the garden, this is Noah. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.